बड़ी लंबी गुफ्तगू करनी है, तुम आना अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी लेकर. Hi all, welcome to my vlog. Sharing few glimpses of an ordinary day in the life of an ordinary mom. So I try to start my day as early as possible. In the recent time, it's been around 5:45. After offering my Fajr prayers, I come to the balcony here and drink a glass of water. I admire the beauty of nature just for a couple of minutes, and this freshens my mind a lot. Now today I had to prepare breakfast and lunch for my husband. He has office today, so I am preparing a side dish to go along with rice and sambar. I am preparing minced meat along with sorted vegetables. Now my kids are picky eaters. They'll just pick the vegetables from the plate, and as soon as I'm looking the other way, they'll throw them. Now to encourage them to have a lot of vegetables, I come up with a few plans of my own. I ask them whether they really hate the taste or just don't want to try something new. And I encourage them to just take a bite of anything that is offered to them and think for themselves whether they really hate it or they just don't want to try it. Most of the time, my kids answer in a positive way, telling that they like the flavor, like the taste, and wouldn't mind to try it. It has worked. Also, one of the tips that my mom shared with me was to add a little bit of meat in the vegetable dishes. I know it sounds weird, but when I started doing this, I started adding a little bit of minced meat before adding the vegetables and cooking them. Now I don't know what magic non-veg does to kids. They readily have this dish. They readily have also the vegetables inside it. And also adding vegetables in their favorite dishes like pasta or pizza also does the trick. Now since most of the time I have to prepare early breakfast, I grind coconut paste into a smooth paste and add it into ice cube tray and freeze them. So whenever I need, I just use an ice cube of coconut paste and add this to gravies or sorted vegetables. This gives a thick consistency and also adds a lot of flavor to my dishes. Also adding a tablespoon of Kitchen King masala just before closing the lid gives a very good flavor to any side dish you're preparing, be it veg or non-veg. Now I'm just cooking it for one whistle. One whistle would be sufficient for the minced meat along with vegetables to cook nicely. So most of the time along with minced meat I add an option of vegetables like peas, potatoes or cabbage or beetroot or bottle gourd, anything that goes well with keema. Now my kids and husband, they have white rice. I have red rice along with sambar and the side dish. I try to make sure that their meal is as balanced as possible along with lots of proteins, a little bit of carbohydrates and fruits and vegetables. My husband already finished his breakfast along with keema and rotis. Now I am packing his lunchbox. For his noon snack, I'm going to give him fruits. Just going to pack this in his lunchbox. Once my husband is off to office, from 7:30 to 8:30, it is my me time. I don't look at the phone at this hour or don't watch any television program. I just focus on myself, whether it is on my fitness or mental peace or just learning something new like sewing, stitching or thinking about recipes. Of course, throughout the day, I spend time with my kids, getting engaged in their homeworks, just coloring with them, drawing with them or chatting non-stop. I love to chat with my kids and I feel this is constructive for me as well as them. Now since winters are arriving, I thought to clean the fans. I'm using this duster, so this will absorb all of the dust and this will prevent in whole of the house getting dusty. So I do this before winter arrives, since because of less humidity there would be dust everywhere. In the recent past, I have made some changes in my diet and have replaced chips and wafers with rice chips. They are a healthier snack option, but however, I finished 3/4 packet at once and I think I really need to make some more changes because I can't control around fried foods. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog of mine. Thank you for connecting with me and bye guys.